Hello, 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 and welcome to another episode of Friday We Feast. Today, we're going to do an outdoor backpacking Asian stir-fry. You'll need udon stir-fry noodles. These usually come in 2 packs. There's 2 in this container. We're only going to use 1. And then we got some salmon, canned salmon. We've got mushrooms. We've got sesame oil, green onions, salt and pepper, and some soy sauce. So here we go. We're gonna get started, and this cooks real fast. It's not nearly as arduous and long as some of the other backpacking meals I've done, so we'll start it up here. First, you start with your oil, about 2 tablespoons. And this is designed to be cooked in a wok, but we're not going to be using a wok out in the woods. Get that started up. Kind of break these noodles up in here. I'm going to put it off and break it up. We'll cook these and start getting them a little crispy. They cook really fast, so I'll make sure we're stirring them. Okay, they're starting to brown up a little bit, so we got to take them off, and we'll add our mushrooms, green onions. These, if you leave them whole, they'll last out longer on the trail. Mix these in there. I'm going to keep stirring them until it'll burn. Smell the mushrooms and green onions. Now we're ready to add our salmon. To our little technical difficulties. Apparently, this plate is not fire safe. Ah, there we go. Now she's off. Just keep stirring. You don't got to cook the salmon, it's already cooked, smoked, so we're just heating it up. Now we're ready to take it off the heat. Okay, now that we got our salt and pepper stirred in, we just add some soy sauce. We got these in little packets or little boxes of sushi. So we just open these bad boys up and pour them on there. without the soy sauce, the salmon is very strong tasting, so it kind of cuts it down a little bit. So add about 2 packets. Mix it in. Throw some on the truck. Okay. And now we feast. That's very good. The mushrooms, the green onions, the salmon. Tastes like something you'd get at a Chinese restaurant. One more bite. After this video, we'll release who is the winner of the 100 subscriber giveaway. We did really great. We're up to 123 subscribers now, and I really thank you guys for subscribing and sticking with me. Let me know any ideas for other backpacking meals that you guys might like or might have tried. I think we're going to do a pita next week. So stick along with us, stay with us, like and subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching. Have a good day. Here we go. We're gonna draw for the 100 subscriber contest giveaway. We're going to random.org, and we had 25 comments, so we will generate our random number, and number 10 is the winner, so I'll be contacted number 10. Thanks everybody who liked and subscribed, and I appreciate your support. Stay tuned. We'll probably have another giveaway at probably 200. Thanks.